Hello and welcome to sort of week 2 in statistics for psychology. I'm going to start off by telling you that of course we've entered into the semester and the bookstore does not have your resources yet. I've been posting some of those, and what I've come to the conclusion to is that we need to set the restart button. And we are going to start this class this coming Wednesday on the 9th. I think, right? Wednesday, when we have our Zoom meeting, we're going to get together and we're going to start with Chapter 1. Now, what I want you to do is in the course book, there are labs that I have in the teaching section, and I want you to look at those. The lab at the end, that's the graded part, has to do with using SPSS and Excel and getting all your technology in order and Zoom and getting SPSS loaded, and you don't have that yet. And I want to regroup in Zoom. Start over. I have redone the course timeline. So let's take a look at that. Here we are in Brightspace in the content section, and if I click the course timeline, you'll see that I have now converted all of the weeks to begin on Wednesdays, September 9th, that's the first week of class here, and that everything's going to be due on Tuesday. So it times the class there. I apologize, and no apology. You've had a week of kind of getting to know the class a little bit, and now we kind of get to start again. And we're going to be looking at Chapter 1. Chapter 1 discussion will remain open, the Chapter 1 quiz, and hopefully during this week we'll get those resources coming in. And I have posted the labs for Chapter 1, I believe. So here you'll see this is the Chapter 1 lecture and the Lab 1, Lab 2, Lab 3, Lab 6, and Lab 7. These are versions of the labs that you would have had in the lab manual, and we're going to be going through those in class when we do the Zoom. And that's kind of the format I'm looking at. Is if you're looking in the course book and you see there's that little icon that I have, it says like class activity, and there's a lab, that we're going to do those together a lot, as much as we can during the time that we're together, kind of as a lecture, do an activity, lecture, do an activity, leading up to the final activities, which are the graded labs, along with the discussions and all that stuff. So hang tight. And I know it's a little confusing, but it's hard on all of us. So hang tight with this class. We'll get to organizing and things, and certainly when those resources coming and things will start to come together and the things that you're looking at will start to make sense. So I will see you on Wednesday, and that's when the class starts, and we'll be working from Wednesday to Tuesday. And I won't be doing these videos on Monday. They will be appearing Wednesday morning, to the start of the class instead of Monday. So I will see you on Wednesday. I'm really looking forward to that.